I'm Angie Lord, and today I've got a roasted broccoli recipe that requires almost no preparation in case you're tired from treatment or just life in general. Today's recipe uses frozen broccoli for preparation ease, but without getting too sciencey, that means sulforaphane won't form on its own. Don't fret, we'll add back a magic ingredient at the end that will give it its ultimate cancer-fighting ability and add some depth of flavor too. Stay tuned. While frozen broccoli's benefits of easy, cheap, and convenient outweigh all else when you're tired, the result may be mushy broccoli if you aren't careful. Who wants that? I've got a few tricks to make sure that won't happen. First, make sure your oven is fully preheated so the broccoli doesn't thaw on the counter. You can mix your spices during this time, just leave the broccoli in the freezer. Use parchment paper to line your pan. Also, use a spray olive oil for speed and less moisture. After that, sprinkle broccoli with salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder and pop it into the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 to 15 minutes. If you want the charred bits, switch the oven to broil for the last few minutes. Once you remove the pan from the oven, it's back to our magic ingredient, mustard powder. Research has shown that you only need 1/4 teaspoon mustard powder for up to 7 cups of broccoli for sulforaphane to form. Prior to serving, sprinkle mustard powder and Parmesan cheese over the top. All that's left now is to enjoy your cancer-fighting side dish. See you next time.